Okay, so previously we have already made the basic view model, but we haven't been able to actually got that we haven't got the content view or to actually show even one data. So we won't be able to show that. How to do that? Pretty simple. Just show that data. Okay. So what I'm going to do in this video, let me just move this aside. I'm just adjusting the recording. Okay, what I'm going to do is to change all this VStat to something that can actually show things. So what I'm going to do is to use the help of Copilot, of course. Right click, the Studio Code, and I believe I need to grant this grant this trust. Live, good. So what I'm going to do is to just get a list, and I'm going to get the selection of our binding. Right now I don't have a binding yet, so I'm going to add this binding. State private var selected item. Okay, selected item set instead of a string. I believe we call that a to-do item. Okay, so that's exactly what we're going to do. To-do item. Okay, so it's set a to-do item, initialize it, and then come on, it's a little bit weird. Okay, that's enough. And of course, we're going to add observed objects. Observable and observed objects different. Okay, and we're going to say our model will be our view model. Okay, that should do. Or that should do. And why the to-do item? What to-do item? Okay, maybe I haven't opened this in we just do the code, so I can't find it, and just give me a complaint. Okay, that's extremely weird. You should be able to scan the whole project and okay, we open this to the item. Did I open this to the item? To the item content view. Yeah, view model. We haven't been able to do that. Let's just open that Visual Studio Code. Yeah, hopefully this can give all the error away. If you do have error, it doesn't really matter, because the X code is the final destination. Doesn't really matter here. Okay, so then you can got the body selection. Then you can say selected icon, because you already make it a state variable. Okay, and then here going to loop it for each model item in. Okay, it's item in. For each loop, I believe we got a hashtag of item in. We can use edge stack icon text, so horizontal stack. Yeah, we can do that. And remember, at the end of for each, we can say on delete. So basically, we can perform a delete. We can access that model and delete items. Yeah. So access this model, right? And we got this delete items, so we can access this. Copilot did a pretty decent job right now. Of course, right now the preview need to pass something, so we can say right now we got observed object, so model and passing like some view model, doesn't really matter, just some placeholder, right? And at the app, here we have to we can't get around by just pass anything. We have to make a state variable, state object, and actually give it a private bar of model, and view model, just initialize it, and then we can successfully pass it here. So content view model, and passing that model that we just get, and this is like a window group. If you want to get like a multi-view app, you can add a navigation view here. Navigation view. Okay, yeah, deprecate navigation stack. Split view. Yeah, let's just use view. Doesn't really matter. Deprecate doesn't mean that it can't use. Okay, still works, right? No error. And yeah, so let's run this. Hopefully we'll get no error here. And for a project to do item is not a property wrapper. Okay, let's do a quick debug. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, I made a mistake. It should be here, okay? The binding should be here, the model, the item, and then we add the binding here, okay? Items in, yeah, that should solve the problem. And then edge stack of the item dot icon and the title. That's good, and we can get out of the edge stack, and then we can say on deletes for each loop, on delete, yeah, model, and that. And after the on deletes, we can add something like the navigation title. Okay, navigation title, and title or binding string. Yeah, let me just hard code a string to it. So this app's name is called another to-do list. Oh my gosh, another to-do app. Okay, and we already got a title, and we can add something like the toolbar, and basically toolbar can have a lot of two items, so toolbar items, and we can get certain placements as well as content placement. We want to the left, again get the navigation leading, so navigation bar leading, so it's left, and then content here. We can have the yeah, we have to initialize like edit. Okay, let me just use this default edit button, right? Edit button, and we can initialize it. Okay, in it, and yeah, this is already initialized, and then another toolbar item, yeah, and let me first add the placement of trailing. Yeah, why is okay? Why is got like ID here? Let's just add placements and dots, navigation bar trailing. Okay, is this deprecated or not? Oh my gosh, it's deprecated. We'll be deprecating the future version of the top bar trailing. Okay, top bar trailing. Okay, we'll be dealing with this later. Let's just make it work. Okay, so yeah, we can add a item that can say add things. Okay, so maybe add a button, and that button will have a action of, remember we got the model, okay, add item, okay, and then in order for other people to actually see it, we can say something like the text of add things to do. Yeah, let's first try out. No guarantee it will work. Okay, you need to like constantly build the test result. Add things to do. Yeah, need to do item. Edit. Yeah, so we can delete it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Add. We can add multiple things. So we enter the edit state. Done. Yeah, that's good. Swipe, because we got this on delete. So swipe in the list, give you a delete option. That's pretty good. And the icon here, we can of course like switch that or like choose that different icon. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, or we can even add a nice animation at the end. So we can add the like a toolbar dot animation, and so we can dot default animation and have a value of just that every model's items will follow this animation rule. And let's try this out. Okay, yeah, pretty good. Got like a working to-do list app actually working. Okay, that's pretty good for me. So it's already pretty long, so see you next video. Alright, bye.